Your campaign is live. Open it anytime to manage, update, and receive high-intent leads. Share campaign progress by adding updates, descriptions, and images to keep your campaign engaging. Edit your campaign anytime. Then share it through chat or social media to reach more people. Kimbocorp Advisors and users can share relevant profiles with you. Open the profile in Chats, review it, and add it to your book of business. Select a profile from your book of business, tap Add to Campaign, choose your campaign, and add the profile. Kimbocorp can also add matched profiles directly to your campaign. When a Kimbocorp Advisor adds profiles to your campaign, you'll receive a notification. Simply open the notification to review the newly added profiles. Keep your campaign updated, review new profiles, and connect with high-intent leads, all from one place with Kimbocorp. Kimbocorp, download now.